Conquer diabetes with food. 10 delicious choices for better blood sugar. Managing diabetes through diet is a powerful way to control blood sugar levels and improve overall health. Incorporating specific foods into your meals can help stabilize blood sugar, enhance insulin sensitivity, and reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications. Here's a comprehensive guide to 10 delicious and nutritious foods that can help you conquer diabetes. 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are low in calories and carbohydrates, making them perfect for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. 2. Berries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. They have a low glycemic index, GI, and can improve insulin sensitivity, making them an excellent choice for diabetics. 3. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which can reduce inflammation and improve heart health, a crucial consideration for those with diabetes. 4. Nuts. Nuts, including almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, are packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber. They can help regulate blood sugar and reduce the risk of heart disease. 5. Whole grains. Whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, and oats are high in fiber and nutrients. They have a lower GI compared to refined grains, which helps manage blood sugar levels more effectively. 6. Legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are excellent sources of protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. They have a low GI and can help keep blood sugar levels stable. And Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a good source of probiotics, protein, and calcium. It can improve gut health and has a lower impact on blood sugar compared to regular yogurt. 8. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice that can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Adding a sprinkle of cinnamon to your meals or drinks can have beneficial effects on your glucose levels. 9. Avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help improve cholesterol levels and provide a steady source of energy without spiking blood sugar. 10. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are high in fiber and vitamins, with a lower GI than regular potatoes. They can help manage blood sugar levels and provide essential nutrients. Tips for incorporating these foods. Create balanced meals. Combine proteins, fats, and carbohydrates to create balanced meals that stabilize blood sugar levels. For example, pair salmon with a side of quinoa and steamed broccoli for a nutritious and satisfying meal. Snack smart. Opt for healthy snacks like a handful of nuts, a cup of Greek yogurt with berries, or avocado slices on whole grain toast. These choices can keep you full and prevent blood sugar spikes between meals. Spice it up. Incorporate cinnamon into your diet by adding it to oatmeal, smoothies, or baked goods. This simple addition can enhance flavor and provide health benefits. Plan ahead. Prepare meals and snacks in advance to ensure you have healthy options readily available. This can help you avoid unhealthy choices when you're short on time. Conclusion: by incorporating these 10 foods into your diet, you can effectively manage your diabetes and improve your overall health. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you are on medication or have other health conditions.